Hi everyone and welcome back to the Organized Notebook. In this video, we wanted to show you some gallery view tips in Notion. Gallery view is a great way to display photos and other information visually. So let's get started. Let's start by going to an empty Notion page, and you're welcome to follow along as we go in your own Notion pages. So first, in order to make a gallery view, you can type /gallery and click gallery view and then plus new database. And once you make this gallery view, you'll notice that the default is that it includes some of the page contents inside, such as this one, to do and completed to do. And this is one way to use gallery view, that if you put some images or text inside here, it's going to show up as the cover photo. So let's say we put some sample text here, then we will see it reflected inside the card like this. And if you wanted to add a photo, you can do /image, and we could just add a photo from Unsplash, for example. And we can see the first image reflected as the cover photo inside the contents. So this is one way to use gallery view. And now we wanted to show you the different view options. So in order to access view options, you can go to the three dots here, and then you can go to layout, and then you can choose the card preview, whether you want page content or page cover or none. So if we go to page cover, now you'll have to add a cover photo here, clicking add cover, and then you will see it reflected in the gallery view like this. And you can also reposition the photo by dragging it like this as well. And then if we go to layout and then we go to card preview and select none, you can just simply see the other properties displayed here like this. And this is another great way to use it. For example, if you have a quotes database and you just want to display quotes, this could be a nice way to show it as well. The next thing we wanted to show you is the different card sizes. So if we go to layout and then we go to card size, you can choose small, medium, or large. If we do small, it's like this. And if we do large, it would be like this. So this is another great way to show gallery view. And then another thing we wanted to show is that you can actually display file images inside gallery view. So if we go to a gallery view entry and then we add a property called files and media, then you can actually add a photo here, which is going to be displayed if you choose to do so. So if we go here and then upload, then now you can go to the three dots here, and then you can choose from layout and choose card preview, files, and media. And this is a tip that not many people know because it's a bit hidden unless you use the files and media property inside of gallery view. And finally, the other thing we wanted to show you is that you can actually remove the name property, making the cover photo the main thing inside of this gallery view. And to do that, you can go to properties and then remove name. And this gives a kind of clean image for your gallery. And the one last thing we wanted to show you is that you can actually hide the database title. And this is true across all database views, but it really gives a clean layout. So those are our tips for gallery view. We hope that this is useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, or anything that was confusing in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.